Greetings of the day. My name is Rishi Haldri from class 10 Jasmine. Today I am here with my project partner
Anya Bhardwaj.
This is a project. We are here to inspire an innovative idea with the project Preserve Pro. Preserve Pro is a device which will be installed in your refrigerator to detect the spoilage of food before it actually gets spoiled.
First of all, let us understand why this prototype is made. Food wastage due to forgetting items in the refrigerator is a growing problem in India. People keep food in the refrigerator and they forget about it, and eventually the food gets spoiled.
In the recent days, we are following an irregular lifestyle. In that, we usually get the leftover meals, cooked food, and vegetable in the refrigerator. And by the time we remember that they are kept over there, we forgot to use them and they get spoiled.
FAO reports show that 67 million tons of food gets wasted due to this problem in India.
As this problem is spreading on a daily basis, we thought that it is a very simple problem on just a single household, but when this multiplied to a nationwide, it becomes a major contributor to the food wastage in India.
Now, what are the consequences of the food wastage? So, the main and prominent consequence for the food wastage is family faces financial loss. According to the reports, this is told that the expenditure. Now let us have a look at consequences of food spoilage in refrigerators. The main consequence is families face financial loss as the food they buy gets spoiled and the money is wasted.
As the food is being spoiled, if you consume the spoiled food, it will cause you financial problem. Not only those, it causes you environmental impacts, health hazards. Because of that, the harmful gases such as methane cause unpleasant odor in the environment, which is not good for the health.
Now let us look at the proposed solutions. SpoilGuard detects early signs of spoilage using gas sensors. Also, it identifies the gases like ethylene, hydrogen sulfide and ammonia.
Not only this, it will give you alerts in many different methods. For example, LED, buzzer and mobile app connectivity. As using mobile is very handy for us. So mobile app notification proves to be more convenient and beneficial in that case. It is all as well as compact, portable and many more easier.
Now let us look at the key features. As she told earlier, we have the spoilage detecting system. Also we had alert mechanisms like a buzzer and the LED. We also have connected it to the mobile app, and there are compartment specific monitorings.
As we forgot about the food is kept in the refrigerator, you may also forgot that the object or the device kept in the refrigerator is charged or not. That's why we have a battery backup facility over there which will help the device to run even when the battery is discharged. It helps to reduce the wastage and ensure food safety, which is one of the most important functions of this prototype. Now let's move from imagination to innovation of this prototype development. As we see, there is specific spoilage detected MQ sensor, which is a gas sensor. We have ESP32 processor data. It is a development board over there. If gases are sensed, it will be a trigger buzzer which will indicate the spoilage. Mobile app connectivity is also over there.
And the most important thing, we have the relay cooling fan on, which will help to keep the food fresh until you get the notification and the alerts. In conclusion, SpoilGuard, the Fresh Keeper, is a smart, if cost-effective prototype which fight against the food spoilage. It is very affordable too. The estimate price of this prototype is 1,685 rupees, which is a good investment for 6 to 7 years.
Now in the conclusion, I would like to say that this device helps to prevent the food spoilage with the early detection, timely alerts, which is a practical solution for this common household problem of food spoilage in the refrigerator. So let's together say a small step towards a healthier and sustainable future. With this we conclude. Thank you.